Albert Granda here, pizzatherapy.com, legendsofpizza.com/blog. I am with Laura Meyer, one of the true legends of pizza, a real wonderful gal and really shares her passion of pizza. Laura, I understand you have a new position. What's up?
That's correct. So recently Traditionally, I was the executive chef at Tony's Pizza Napolitana in San Francisco, and as of November of 2017, I actually moved up to, I'm now the corporate chef for the Pizza Rock Restaurant Group, as well as maintaining my position at the International School of Pizza. So right now, my job entails of not only overseeing one operation, but now I oversee all of them. In grand total, there's about 15 of them, so it's grown quite a bit.
That's pretty amazing. Also, tell us a little bit about the pizza school.
So the pizza school is great. It's held in San Francisco at Tony's Pizza Napolitana in North Beach, in which we have two different courses, both of which are 5 days long. They begin on a Tuesday and end on a Saturday, in which the fee for the course is $3,900, but the two courses differ depending on the styles of pizza that are covered. So one course covers the Neapolitan wood-burning style, as well as the classic Italian, usually out of an electric oven, as well as the Roman style. The second course we offer is our American course, which covers the multitude of American styles of pizza that you can even think of, and it also includes the Sicilian pan style. So within both courses, students learn the hands-on techniques, how to make dough properly, as well as how to troubleshoot the dough making process, especially depending on their location, climate, humidity, elevation, all of those factors that change day to day. And then they learn the hands-on techniques that are required to execute each style, as well as they learn various types of ovens. They learn products and information. They learn about cheese, about companies, distribution, even just about equipment, how to set up a kitchen. Pretty much everything you can think of that surrounds pizza making and operations, we go over.
The cool thing about the pizza school, which has been in operation for a few years now, is that not only have you gotten some great professional pizza chefs graduated, you also do a lot for people that just are interested in pizza and passionate about making pizza, correct?
That is true. So we not only certify professionals, chefs who are in the business as well, or who've been in the industry for 20 plus years, but we also certify those who are looking to get into the business, who've never touched dough in their life, to the home chef, people who really have no intention of getting into the business at all, but are just such avid pizza makers that they want to know everything they can.
That's great. And while we're talking about home pizza makers, let me have you give us some tips for the home pizza maker, Laura.
Of course. Well, for the home chef, we always recommend having, if you can't afford stones, or if you have stones, to have two of them. Or what's more popular now, and which actually works even better than stones, is pizza steels. So we always recommend to have two. So if you have a regular oven at home, we recommend to put one on the first deck and then one on the bottom deck, so that you have the first stone that you bake on and then a stone to finish on. So that way you get a good even bake all the way around.
Okay, any other tips? How about use of flours? What kind of flours do you recommend?
Well, nowadays, the types of flours on the market that are available to the home user have grown exponentially. So right now, you kind of have to go to more specialty markets to really find them. They haven't quite expanded into Safeway or any other kind of retail that's big of a chain. But if you look at Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, or even some more of the specialty shops, you can find some really good quality flour. Of course, one flour that you can find most everywhere is King Arthur, in which usually the Sir Lancelot or Sir Galahad works great. Some all-purpose flours work great as well. Otherwise, Caputo now makes different types of their flour that are available for the home user, as well as Tony Gemignani carries a small bag as well. So what I recommend for the home user is to do a little bit of research and find out what flour works best for them. But then once you find out a flour, a brand that works great, is to maybe send them an email or look on their website and look at the protein content, because even though you're a home user, the protein content is crucial when it comes to cooking in a 500-degree oven.
And what kind of protein are we looking at?
So usually in a low temp oven, somewhere around 500 to 525, especially if you're using your the broiler method, is more of a high protein flour or mid-range protein flour, usually between 13% or higher. Some all-purpose flours work great as well, but usually that's going to be a bit of a lower protein, usually for pan-style pizzas like Chicago or something like that. But usually a 13% or higher flour will work great, as well as a browning agent.
Laura, thank you for this fantastic information. How can people find out more about the Pizza School and about you if they have any questions?
I always tell everyone, feel free to contact me anytime, whether you're one of my students or you're just someone that's an avid home chef. My email, you can always contact me by email, also through the school website. It's my name, Laura, at internationalschoolofpizza.com. And always you can go to the website, the contact us, and all that goes directly to myself and to Tony himself. So whether you get Tony or myself, you'll definitely get a multitude of information.
Laura, thank you so much for taking time to talk to me.
Thanks, Albert.
Thank you so much, Laura. Always a pleasure to talk pizza with you. And you can find out more about Tony Gemignani's International School of Pizza by going to internationalschoolofpizza.com. I'll put all resources that Laura discussed below this video. While you're here, if you could show a little pizza love and subscribe to the Pizza Therapy channel, Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.